if f of x is equal to sine step of pi square x plus sine of minus pi square x, where step x denotes the greatest integer less than or equals to x, then among the three options, f of pi by 2 is 1, f of pi is equal to 2, and f of pi by 4 is equal to minus 1, and option D none of this. Let's check out. Since given f of x is equal to sine of step of pi square x plus sine of minus step of minus pi square x, and since we know the approximate value of pi is 3.1415, we can take, and pi square can be taken as, it will be getting 9.85 approximately or 9.86. Then the step of pi value can be taken as the greatest integer, which is less than or equals to 3.14 is 3, we can write, and step of pi square we can consider it to be the greatest integer, which is less than or equals to 9.85 can be taken 9, and step of minus pi square we can consider to be the step of minus 9.85 means the greatest integer, suppose here, so it's a minus 9 and it's a minus 10, so minus 9.85 will be around somewhere. The greatest integer, which is less than minus 9.85, will be minus 10, so we can write minus 10. So let us substitute here. For f of x is equal to sine step of pi square, that's the 9 times x, sine 9 times x plus sine of minus pi square, we can write it as minus 10 times of x, or this can also be written f of x is equal to sine 9x, and this is minus sine of 10 times of x. Okay, this is a function, and now let's verify with the options. Option A, f of pi by 2. So let us check whether it is 1 or not. F of pi by 2 is equal to sine 9 times of pi by 2, it's an odd multiple of pi by 2, minus sine 10 times of pi by 2. So we can write this as sine 9 times pi by 2, we can write it as 4 times pi plus pi by 2, and this is sine 5 times pi, it's an integral multiple of pi. Since we know that sine for any integral multiple of pi will be equals to 0 for n is any integer, so we can consider sine 5 pi value can be taken 0, and this is a 4 pi plus pi by 2, it's a 2n pi plus pi by 2 means sine pi by 2 you can write. So sine 90 pi by 2 is nothing but sine 90 degrees, which is equal to 1. So we can just verify that first option is correct. First option is correct, and let us also check the second option. Option B, f of pi, we see whether we will get 2 or not. Option B, f of pi, so that is sine times 9 pi minus sine of 10 pi. So both are integral multiples of pi. Since we know that sine n pi is equal to 0, so we can say that this is 0 and 0, which is 0, so which is not equals to 2. So the second one is not correct, second option. And then third option, f of pi by 4 is equal to negative 1. Let us check that. F of pi by 4, which is equal to sine 9 times of pi by 4 minus sine 10 times of pi by 4. So we can write this as sine. So we can write sine of 2 pi plus pi by 4. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 pi, 9 pi by 4, minus sine of 2 pi plus 2 pi by 4. So that is 2 pi plus 2 pi by 4, 8 pi plus 2, 10 pi we can write. So this is same as sine pi by 4 minus sine of 2 pi by 4. 2 pi by 4 is nothing but pi by 2. So sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 minus sin pi by 2 is sin 90 degrees is 1. So but the option C is given, which is equal to -1, which is also not correct. So this is not equals to -1. So we can go with an option A is the right answer. Okay, thank you.